love water. Water, H2O.
Building block entertainment, known to schools as shows that teach Assembly Company, is proud to present two engaging water science and water conservation shows. H2O, Where Did You Go? And the Hydro Game Show are engaging live on-site school assembly programs that teach K through 6th grade students important curricula, such as the water cycle, solid, liquid, and gas, the value of water, the journey of water, and much more. Additionally, these distinctively different programs motivate kids to be mindful and aware of their water use.
Hello, my name is Lisa Danowitz. I'm a teacher at Creekview School in Ontario, and I've been teaching here for 28 years. This was the best show ever. We really enjoyed it. Did you guys enjoy it? Yes! Thank you so very much.
Just use the water that you need. Don't waste the water.
Oh, easy. I'm going to stop brushing my teeth.
Typically, these programs are paid for by the local water agencies and are provided free to select schools. The following is a list of some of our water agency clients since 2002.
I've been doing this for 22 years. I've been in the middle school for 22 years. And we get people coming in and the kids will start nodding off, or the kids will maybe, be into it a little bit. Our kids were excited. Our kids were raising their hands. Our kids wanted to be a part of what you were doing. You had them moving. You owned the audience for the entire time. And I can't tell you, I know these kids walked away with something that they're going to be able to use. When you're mentioning the aquifer, I'm a science teacher. We just did an edible aquifer. The kids are like, we know about this, Mr. Rose, this is cool. You guys were just amazing. And I can't recommend you any higher than just to say that you're amazing. So thank you.
Our assembly presenters include professional performers and educators, such as credentialed teacher and musician Rebecca Lynn, recording artist Jason Luckett, 25-year assembly presenter Mark Beckwith, 20-year assembly presenter Obediah Thomas, and 14-year presenter Michael Heatherton. To receive a price quote or to get more information, please contact company president Mark Beckwith. Thank you.
Melted snow.